So today I'm going to show you guys how to make and sell these super fun and cute pajamas. And this video was highly requested by you guys, so I am very excited to deliver for you. Sellers on Etsy are making thousands of dollars selling these, and they're also really fun to make just for yourself. And if you stick around until the very end, I'm going to share with you how you can get my exact Canva template for this design 100% free. So without further delay, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to do is set up a Printify account. If you don't have one yet, I'm going to leave this linked down below so you can get started 100% free. Once your account is all set up, you have tons of different products to choose from under the catalog, and we're going to go ahead and type in pajamas, and then we're going to go ahead and select this set right here, and then we can scroll down and start designing. So it's going to show you the front, the right, the back leg, and all areas of view. And so we're going to upload our design, and you can also select all different colors that your base layer of your pajamas will be. Before you start your design, I would recommend looking for inspiration on Pinterest, on Etsy, on Facebook, your favorite retail store out there. See what's selling and see what you can use as inspiration. Remember, we never copy, we just use it as a way to model it. Now, I am over in Canva, and I have this little template that I created for myself, and how I did that was I simply started with a little blank square here, and I went over to the Elements tab on the left-hand side here and started searching for the types of pictures that I wanted to include. For example, if I wanted to include hearts, I would go to Elements, type in hearts, and under the graphics, I would just start searching. We can just scroll through. So let's say I wanted to use these hearts, I would just put them on there like this and shrink it down, move it over here, and then I would duplicate it and sort of just scatter these all around. And maybe you have like a holiday coming up, so you could type in Valentine's Day and see what kind of graphics come up then. Maybe you like this XOXO, so you'll put it on there and keep duplicating that over and over so that you create a little bit of a pattern. And then for some specific things like this teddy bear, I would use a platform like Fabria to find the teddy bear to add to my design. If I have a theme page like a Chihuahua page, it would make sense to make Chihuahua pajamas. So let's pop over to Fabria and see what we can find. So I'm also going to have a free trial for you for Fabria linked down below in the description. This is a platform where you can get graphics for your print-on-demand business, and you simply scroll down to the bottom left where it says print on demand, check that box. So now every little Chihuahua design that comes up here, you can use it for your print-on-demand business. So we're just scrolling through until we see something we like, and I'm just going to click on this one right here, and right here it says commercial and full POD usage allowed. Make sure that you read their commercial use guide right there for best practices. If you have any questions, you can also contact Fabria support, and always keep in mind that Etsy also has their own rules for unique content. So you couldn't sell something like this as is. It has to be incorporated into a bigger design that you have a hand in creating, like we're doing right now with the pajamas. So now I'm going to go ahead and download this and then upload it into my Canva account. All right, so now that is uploaded, and now I'm just going to keep duplicating that over and over and putting this on my template as a repeating pattern. And if you would like this exact template right here, make sure that you stay until the very end of this video, because I'm going to share with you how I'm going to give this to you 100% free. So then you can do something like duplicate this, and then you can go through and say delete all of the teddy bears, and then go back in and add a Chihuahua or a cat or whatever type of theme page you may have that you want to sell pajamas for. And you simply go back in and fill each one of these empty spaces where we deleted the teddy bear, and just fill it with a Chihuahua. So we'll put one there, one here, you might have to shrink it down a bit here, and so forth, until all of the spots are filled. And then then maybe you want to go back through and where all of the flowers are, you want to add, say, a ball that is more fitting towards what a Chihuahua theme page would like. So we're filling all of the flowers. We're going to go ahead and delete all of these. And I'm just doing Control D to duplicate that and drag it over to all of the empty spots. So once you've replaced all of the elements that you would like to replace, we're going to click on Share. We're going to download this as a PNG with a transparent background. So PNG, transparent background, page number 7, which is our current page, download. Now we are back in our Printify dashboard and we click Upload to upload our design. And then what we're simply going to do is click Create a Pattern. So that is going to layer it over the entire leg of the pant. And then we're going to click the front and we're going to do the same thing for each one of these. So once you've uploaded it and created a pattern on every single area, what you may notice is that the back left leg looks slightly bigger. So we're going to click on this and we're just going to drag that in to make the design a little bit smaller. Let's look at all the areas again. So now let's look at this one and just make it a bit smaller and make sure that they all just look completely the same size and even. And then you can save your product. And then we can also preview it and see what it will look like in the mock-up and on a person. So these look absolutely great. And we're going to save this again. And then we can optimize our listings. So we can type in here women's Chihuahua pajama bottoms and click generate. So here we go. We have our title, our description, and our keywords, and we can apply those to our listing. Then we can scroll down to our shipping and we can select standard and economy. And then we can set our own price tag. You can edit the price by profit margin or just a dollar amount of profit that you would like. So for profit margin, if you want to do 30%, you can type that there. And then it would be $65 for the pajamas, and that would net you almost $20 in profit, and the production cost is $38. So once you're satisfied with all of that, then we can save it as a draft or publish it to our store. Now, if you haven't yet connected your Printify account with your Etsy, then you're going to need to do that. And I am going to link for you down below in the description a video on how to properly connect Etsy to Printify, because you're going to need to make sure that is all connected properly. All of the settings are right, so you're ready to be up and selling these without any delay. So once your store is properly connected, then we can publish it to the Etsy store. And if you don't want to sell on Etsy, or for some reason you can't sell on Etsy, or you don't want to pay to list on Etsy, you can also set up a free Printify pop-up shop, and there's no fees or nothing. You get paid once a month from them. You don't have to upfront the cost of the product, and this is the completely risk-free way to go. So with your pop-up shop, you can list it like this and just copy your link to share on a theme page. What I recommend doing if you're sharing on a theme page to advertise these is to create some lifestyle content. You would order a sample of these, or you could do it AI. You could use ChatGPT to put these on a person and tell a little story along with your lifestyle photo. And then in the comments of the post, drop the actual link to your listing. So here's a little photo that I took of me wearing my actual teddy bear pajamas, but obviously I'm over on my Chihuahua example theme page, and this is how you could share something like this in order to generate sales. So it doesn't have to be anything salesy whatsoever. I would just type something like lounging in my favorite Chihuahua pants. Nothing says Chihuahua obsessed homebody like these. And then you would simply just post it on your page there. And then once it is posted, you can simply go over to the comments and say something like, get yours here and share. And so then you have your sales link right there. I would never put the link directly in the post because Facebook will restrict the reach on that, because really they want to keep people on Facebook. But once it's in the comments, people are going to be reading that, engaging there. They're going to click through. Some people are ultimately going to buy. And the more trust that you build with your audience by posting daily, by posting things that they want to like, comment, and share, like memes, the more likely then they are going to buy from you. So I have tons of tutorials on my channel here all about building theme pages and print-on-demand stores. So feel free to subscribe, watch all of those, and when you're ready to take this to the next level and surround yourself with people that are doing this successfully on a daily basis, I would love to invite you into my full step-by-step course, which is my entire blueprint for my business. And I also have a live coaching group where I go live on on Zoom twice per month. I answer questions every single day on our private Facebook group. All of my students are in there having a blast, getting results, and having so much fun. So I would love to include you there. And if you want to get that free template that I promised, my Canva template with that exact design that you can alter, make your own, here's what to do. Pop over to my Facebook page. This is my personal page, The Angie Martin. Look for this post, photo of my pajamas, and it says, want the exact template that I made to make these pajamas? Here's how to get it for free. Watch the full YouTube video that you're watching right now. Like this video on YouTube. Follow me on Facebook at The Angie Martin. Comment on this Facebook post and let me know that you've watched the video and that you want the template. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm The Angie Martin on every single platform. That's it. I'll get you the template straight to your inbox on Facebook, and you can be rocking and rolling creating your own pajamas. I am so excited to see what you create with Printify, with Canva, and I look forward to seeing you grow your theme page and make it incredibly profitable. So make it an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.